Hello, welcome back to another LSPDFR tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Federal Signal SS2000 Siren. So we're going to click download this file, and while we wait for that, we're going to go and open IV. We're going to pass the time here, so we're going to do something we have to do. Go to X. When you're on this page, go to X64, Audio, SFX, make sure you have edit mode on. I'm going to look for resident.rpf. Now, you want to click show in mods folder. For you, it's going to say copy in mods folder if you haven't done this yet. But unless you have done this step, it's going to say show in mods folder. For your first time, copy in mods folder. So I'm going to click this. And if you don't know how to get to it here on your mods folder, you want to go back to this point. I'm going to go mods, X64, audio, SFX, resident.rpf. Good. Now we're gonna, my bad. We're gonna go here. We're gonna open that up with WinRAR. Federal Signal. Okay. Then we're gonna go into our File Explorer. Desktop. Go to your desktop area. Create a new folder. Name it anything you want to, like I'm gonna name this Funny Federal Signal because no sirens, because why not? And then now that that's done, I'm gonna get back to WinRAR and I'm gonna copy these two, and then I'm gonna drag and drop in that folder. Alright, we don't need this no more. Alright, and then we don't need this at all anymore. When you're in this area, click New, Import Open Formats. Click Desktop, Funny Federal Sirens, and click Vehicles OAC. Click OK. And it is installed. I'll see you in game to show you. Alright, we are in the game right now. Alright, let's go into the locker rooms and let's get a car. Alright. You're gonna let me, thank you. Alright. Police garage. Just gonna grab one of the vehicles I installed recently. Alright, so we're gonna test out the sirens.
Your entire first shift's absolutely free!
The fuck was that?
So they seem to be working. That's a good thing. Now just so you know, sirens work with other police vehicles as well. For example, let's pull up a pursuit and I'll get right back with you once we get into the pursuit. See, the sirens are shared with the Los Angeles Police. So, anyways, that's a full-blown tank! I haven't seen that before, but thank you for watching. Bye.